Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Titin Tiana from Group 5, Business English Class Mercubuana University, Jakarta.
Hello, my name is Vina Yulani. I am from the Faculty of Economic and Business, Mercubuana University.
Hello, my name is Rizky Andrawan. I am from the Faculty of Management.
Hello, my name is Arianto Hidayatullah.
In this video, me and my group friends will present our business plan. We create a cafe business plan which we name Borneo Cafe and Library. So, first of all, I will explain the background of our business. The Borneo Cafe and Library business stems from a campus library regulation that prohibits students from bringing food and drinks into the library space. From there, the idea emerged to create Borneo Cafe and Library. Inside Borneo Cafe and Library, there are various kinds of drinks and snacks. This drink has quite a lot of variations, ranging from those made from coffee to those made from chocolate. This cafe not only provides drinks but also provides snacks, which are also supported by a smooth internet network, so that it attracts visitors to come here. This cafe also provides two rooms, namely a smoking area and a non-smoking area, to make visitors more comfortable. So, with the various advantages offered, of course you don't need to hesitate to come this cafe.
Competitive advantage. Borneo Cafe and Library is located near the campus. Borneo Cafe and Library, model with natural minimalist concept, and the room interior is uniquely designed and homey. Free Wi-Fi, full AC room, toilet, parkir, and LCD TV. Combination of cafe and library service, suitable for students and the public as a place to read book and relax. Company vision: reducing unemployment in the area around the cafe establishment, making this cafe the most popular and preferred cafe for all consumers, give a good and different impression to customers, developing a far more advanced business in the future with sales that continue to increase and continue. Company mission: developing cafe business by adding innovation and creativity to the model of drink and food service, and creating new innovation by building a cafe with library facilities and providing friendly service so that customers are comfortable.
Target market. In this business, the target market is for students and the general public. This is due to the location of Borneo Cafe and Library, with its close to the location of the campus of the Mercubuana University, Jakarta, and other educational institutions. This strategy location in the region that this business has enough potential to run. B. Competition level. Competition in this business can be said to be non-existent, because around the University of Mercubuana Jakarta there is no such form of business. So we are optimistic that this business will be realized. C. Marketing efforts. For marketing efforts, so that the Borneo Cafe and Library has a lot of visitors. Marketing efforts will be made by setting prices for affordable menus with quality and healthy for the preferred product. Besides that, it must also be able to generate large profits. One general manager of Borneo Cafe and Library in charge of supervising and in charge of all division under him, and is fully responsible from the management on this Borneo Cafe and Library. And two, one library on to maintain and record the circulation or books borrow and return. And three, to save are in charge of cooking and making food and drinks ordered by consumers. 4. On cashier who is responsible for all matters concerning billings matters and the carrying on problems. Operational aspect. Borneo Cafe and Library will be open every day, except Fridays from 8 o'clock to 21 o'clock. The goal is that during weekends, students who want to study and relax can visit Borneo Cafe and Library. Here books, apart from being read on the spot, can also be borrowed and brought home with a loan fee of only 1,000. For those who want to get special price, visitors can register to become members by simply paying 13,000, while for student and student only 20,000. Visitors can read unlimited books for free on condition that they have to buy a last one menu at Borneo Cafe and Library. Thanks.
Predictable profit there will be of 10 a month. It is assumed that one consumer shopping 22,000 day. If per day there are 50 visitors, then income is 1 million. The daily income is multiplied by the monthly operating time, 26 day. Then the company revenues 26 millions. Then the company is net profit every month. This income operating cost 26 million 1145 45 million and 5,500. Based on this assumption, the capital will rise down the 4 months. Funding and cooperation, the investment for this business development is 55 million and 170. Capital come from investor and own capital. Collaboration was carried with various book publishing companies and Surabi Confus. Contact detail, address South Meruya Street, Jakarta. Phone number 021 3267 45220. Email address Borneo Cafe.
So guys, that's the presentation of our group. More or less, we apologize. Stay safe and stay healthy.